Good morning, students. Today we are going to study English grammar chapter number 7, nouns gender. Nouns gender. There are gender. Gender is the noun which denotes male or female. The noun which denotes a male or female is called gender. There are four types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Masculine gender denotes a male. Masculine gender denotes a male. Example: man, boy, father, tiger, lion, actor. These are masculine genders. Second number, feminine gender. Feminine gender denotes a female. Feminine gender denotes a female. Example: girl, woman, cow, tigress, etc. Common gender. Common gender denotes both male and female. The gender which is used for both male and female, that gender is called common gender. Example: student. Student means both male or female, boy or girl. Anyone we can say student. Example: student, teacher, doctor, minister, friend, child, baby, singer, dancer, musician, player. These are common genders. They indicate both male or female, male and female. For both these words used. Now for number, neuter gender. Neuter gender denotes non-living, lifeless things. Lifeless things are called neuter gender. Also very small insects also neuter gender. Lifeless things and very small insects are neuter gender. Example: pen, book, school, chair, table. These are lifeless things, neuter genders. Also very small insects like flies, mosquito. These are also called neuter gender. So students, now we discuss from your book. Look at your book, chapter 7, nouns gender, page number 30. Page number 30. In the colorful box, here written, here below are some masculine and feminine nouns for people. In the third column are common gender nouns we can use for males or females. It is written that in the box there are masculine gender and feminine gender and common gender for people. Masculine boy, feminine girl, and common will be child. Masculine man, feminine woman, common is a person. masculine father, feminine mother, common gender parent. Masculine brother, feminine sister, common gender sibling. Student, you must remember the names of these common genders. Brother masculine, sister feminine, common gender sibling. Sibling means brother and sister, common. Husband masculine, wife feminine, spouse. Spouse is feminine. Spouse means husband and wife, common. Spaceman masculine, spacewoman feminine, astronaut common. Now changing the gender by using entirely different words. Now how to change from masculine into feminine? By using different words, new words. Bachelor, masculine, maid, feminine, boy, masculine, girl, gentleman, lady, husband, wife, monk, nun, sir, madam, son, daughter, uncle, aunt. A new word, different word from different new, quite different word we make feminine gender. Second rule, by adding ESS. Masculine gender is made feminine also by adding ESS. ESS. In singular plural, we have studied by adding ES. By adding ES, we make plural number. But by adding ESS, not ES, ESS, we make feminine gender. Air, H-air, air. Air is ESS. Host, hostess, ESS. Poet, ESS. Prince, ESS. Shepherd, ESS. By adding ESS, we make feminine. You must remember, ESS makes feminine and ES makes plural. Third number, by omitting the last vowel and adding ESS. In some words, last vowel letter is removed, then ESS added. Example, actor. A-C-T-O-R, actor. Last vowel letter O removed and then ESS added. The A-C-T O removed, R ESS. Clear? Last, in some words, last vowel letter removed and then ESS added. Huntress, waitress, emperor, empress. In emperor, E-M-P-E-R-O-R, emperor. In emperor, not only one letter, three letters are removed. E-M-P-R-E-S-S. E-O-R. Three letters. In emperor, three letters removed, then ESS added. E-M-P-R-E-S-S. In the word emperor, not only one last vowel letter, two vowel letters and also one consonant letters removed. Empress. Fourth number, miscellaneous, in different way. Bridegroom, bride, hero, heroine, lad, lass. Lad means boy. Lad, lass. Mister. Miss. Mister means boy. Miss. Also Mr. M-R, Mr. Feminine, message, M-R-S, message. And here in book, Mr. means boy. If Mr. means boy, then Miss. Villain, vamp. Widower, widow. Adding a word, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, manservant, maidservant, godson, goddaughter. Yes, now here with the names of some animals. Some animals' names. Masculine and feminine. Animals also have masculine, feminine. But there is also general word. General word for both masculine and feminine. Example, masculine bull, feminine cow, general cattle. Masculine cock or rooster, feminine hen, general word chicken. Chicken means both, general. Masculine dog, feminine bitch, general dog. Masculine drake, feminine duck, general word we say duck. Duck indicates both. Masculine fox, feminine vixen, and general word fox. Yes, now we study here. Lifeless things are sometimes described as persons. That is, they are personified. Personified noun begins with capital letter. Personified nouns that refer to strength, toughness, and superiority are of masculine gender. Now we are going to talk about the gender, about lifeless things. Sometimes lifeless things are not at all times called neuter gender. Clear? Sometimes they are masculine, sometimes feminine, and sometimes neuter. Not at all times, they are always neuter. So first number is written that the things which indicates strength, power, toughness, superiority, such words are called masculine. Example, sun, masculine. Summer, winter, death, storm, time, war, wind, thunder, ocean, fear, majesty. These all words indicates strength, toughness. So these words are called masculine gender. You must remember these words. Next page, page 31. B number, personified nouns that refer to beauty. Beauty, grace, gentleness, fertility are of feminine gender. The nouns which indicates beauty, grace, gentleness, kindness, such words are called feminine gender. As example, spring, beauty, peace, mercy, hope, earth, fame, sheep, charity, modesty, autumn, nature, liberty, truth, moon. These words are feminine gender. You must remember, learn all these words. Now there are collective nouns. Collective nouns, collections of living things. Collective nouns which are collections of living things are neuter gender. Example, army, class, crowd, team, club, family. They are called neuter gender. Must remember, collective nouns of living things are neuter gender, and material nouns are also neuter gender. Material nouns are also neuter gender. That's all, students, for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss the exercise. Thank you.